Good evening, my name is Stiward Prieto and I am about to show you my Project Zero for Harvard's CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. So here's the requirement page and here's Google main page, and beside it there's my project. I open Google Images and Google Advanced Search pages because, well, just to make the comparison between them all. So this is Google main page and this is my page. My front end for Google. The first requirement is for it to be links that make them that make me able to go to the images page and the advanced search page. I already have advanced search open, but not images, so I'm just gonna put it there. And as you can see, they work. It sends me to them. For the quality of the recording, you are not able to see the borders of the search queries, but you are not able to see them even here. So once you check my code, you will be able to see that there is a border for it and it's not just a blank space. The second requirement is for it to, if I write something here and I hit the Google search button, it should take me to the Google page result. It does. And if I go to the images page, I should be able to do the same. This is Google's one. And if I type, let's say, Harvard, and I hit the Google image search button, I'm taken to the result page. And this is the, let's see, the next requirement, the fourth one, query advanced. This is my advanced search page. If I write this here, I will make the comparison between this and the Google Advanced Search home page. So I have all these words: Harvard, CS50, this exact word phrase, Python and JavaScript, any of these words programming, and none of these words HTML. So let's hit the Advanced Search button, and I'm taken to this page. Now if I write the same here, as you can see it's way more advanced, and I hit the Advanced Search button, it takes me to the exact same page. As you can see, there is no difference. The parameters are as I asked for, and the requirement of them being stacked vertically and just to make the resemblance with the advanced search page from Google is fulfilled too, but sorry, English is not my first language. And as you can see, well, let's see the lucky button. The lucky button should send me to the first link in the result page. So I hit the I'm feeling lucky button and it shows me a red direct notice, but that's normal as far as I know. It sends me to the main link, to the first link in the result page. If I do the same here, that's just Google being scared because I am not using their search motor, so search engine, sorry. Harvard, CS50, and I'm feeling lucky, it sends me to the same page. And as you can see, there is a lot of resemblance between my project and Google's own page is for the aesthetics part. So the main difference is that I didn't use the Google logo because, well, copyright and that. But there is, once you check my code, you will see that there is the space for it. There is a div that allows me to just place the image there. And this, you can see there's this search bar is not in the same position, but that's because I made a mistake with writing the CSS code when I was writing the advanced search page, and well, I hope I can fix it soon. That it doesn't take a lot of effort. I will do eventually. That would be all. Thanks for watching my video. I will be expecting any news from you. So thank you and good night.